It's about bottled water. And we're asking, why do we drink so much of it?
I'll take a bottle of water to work with me.
A bottle of water, it's just for convenience, so when I go out or I go to church.
Because I love the taste of it, and it has magnesiums.
I like to drink this one because I think this one is the safe water than the tap water.
You think this is safer than the tap water?
Yes.
I don't ever drink tap water.
You don't ever drink tap water?
No, I never
Ever,
drink.
ever,
Never,
ever?
ever.
Do you think that this is cleaner than what comes out of the tap at your house?
Yeah, I would think so.
But how pure is it? We're gonna find out. While I'm in Toronto picking up some leading brands, up here at McGill University, at a lab that specializes in water quality protection. Natalie Tivenji and her team are going to try to figure out if bottled water is as pure as the marketing suggests. So we've brought you bottles of water from different places across the country, different brands. How long does it take to actually do all that testing?
Well, it's definitely going to take us several weeks. We're going to add a dye to each bottle. We're going to filter that water, and then we're going to look at it under the microscope.
We've asked them to look for any signs of plastic contamination, especially microplastics, small pieces of plastic debris in our environment, all there because of all of us. See if there are plastics or particles in this water. What'd you find?
So what we were able to show is that of the 50 bottles that we tested, 30 of them, we were able to identify that there was plastic.
The majority of them. The top chart shows particles above 100 microns. How big is that?
100 microns is about the size, the width of a human hair.
So it's pretty small, but big enough to identify many of the particles.
We know that there are different types of plastics. So for example, we found rayon, which is a material used in clothing. And we found polyethylene, which is a material used for making plastic bottles or caps.
Surprisingly, they even found plastic in the glass bottles they tested. This company sells water in both plastic and glass.
Exactly.
And it's still got plastic in the glass one.
Exactly.
Although in lower levels.
Yeah, it could be coming from the source, it could be coming in the bottling process itself, maybe from the air.